Well, this will be a pretty quick video since I don't have the proper attachments for it. I do have the hose, but with no attachments, there's not nearly as much to measure. So this is another backpack vacuum. I've seen it both under the Hoover and the Royal name. I think I've seen more of these in the Royal name. Um, Unlike a lot of backpacks, this actually has a dual stage Amtech motor in it. Unfortunately, I don't know what model of Amtech motor, as I couldn't find one of their typical model stickers on there, and none of the numbers I saw looked like a model number. And it has these vents on the underside here, but they don't really do anything. I think they're there for the suction relief valve, but I mean, that's an awful lot of cutouts for such a small intake, because all the exhaust air comes out of here. Now, unlike the other backpacks, if I haven't already mentioned this one uses a dual stage. Every other backpack I've had, at least that I can remember, has had a single stage motor to it. And then, as for filters, we have kind of a HEPA filter in the center of this with a cloth bag. And typically they're used with just these filters as a bagless machine. I did see there is a type BP bag available, but it's an open top bag and it seems like it would be kind of a nuisance to have to put into place. I mean, I don't get why they wouldn't just have something that would attach to this inlet. It just seems kind of dumb to me. So we'll take the voltage, wattage on it, and then we'll get to the flow and suction testing at the body and the hose. So take the body rating. Then the suction rating. Oh, a lot of focus. And for hose suction, definite leakage right around. Okay, my hose cuff was a little bit loose, so. Well, that's better. I think I will redo the airflow test too, since I've that's better. Yeah, it's definitely not the most powerful backpack I've ever measured, but it's, certainly not horrible.